Happy New Year, everyone. By my kind FAs, what I would just want to show a little bit, I just want to show a little bit of my weekly analysis and what I'll be looking for. And last year was a very fantastic year for for me and for the rest of the people that is trading good and other peers that moving very good and especially good. We shall show a little bit of my what's it called setup that what I was looking for on gold last year on this channel, and also where we are and the direction of the market that I'm interested in. So I only trade euro euro USD, gold, and US30. Those are the three pairs that I focus on, and I found a good relationship with the peers, so I'm not changing it. And I do trade other peers as well, but that's what I'll be analyzing right now. So I'm going to start on gold, which has been moving very fantastic. So, and I've been analyzing gold on this from year on last year when I entered the trade here. So I push it up to the target on this. This where I got in on gold. That shows my entry. Analysis on this channel, or if I can still refer on the channel on the videos. So and I said it, but the all this move to this level. I didn't really trade these moves to this level simply because I wasn't in the around I traveled. So I started trading back when I go back from here, start looking into gold and what the setup is giving. So this area was kind of shorting the gold, so I didn't enter, but I got in later, but I pushed it a little bit down. But I didn't. It didn't take me out on here, so thank God I didn't enter there. But on this setup, so I was looking for a good entry on that setup, but it didn't show up. So and since then, we can see how the gold is really pushing up. So what I'll be looking for this week on the gold is really simple. We can see that on this we see a lot of like a consolidation consolidations. So the market is being like consolidating around this area. So what we might see this coming week, I'll be looking for down a little bit to this region, and from there, that is where I'll just be looking for a good entry. So I'm expecting the good to move down a little bit, like to move down to this area and still looking for a push up. So this is what I'll be looking for. I'll be looking to enter looking for entry on this region and this region. And this region, and to push the market up. So this will be my target. That will be my target of gold right now. So, and the reason is you can see that the code has been giving us a uptrend. It's just been creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So yeah, I didn't like what was it called? I didn't really trade gold like that. So I want this market to the price to come to this 50% retracement to this region. Or yeah, or 61.8%. So that's where I'll be looking for buy. So on the 50% retracement rather. So that's where my focus on. So in this region, so that's where I want to be looking for a good opportunity to buy and see what the market will give us. Okay. So these are the what I'll be looking on gold and looking for long as well. So on the Euro USD, I'm also looking for a buy, and this is my overall target on the Euro USD. I got this move on the Euro USD. Now this move, I got that move. So what other move am I looking for is around this area. So I want the market to come back down to break, to sweep that liquidity. So my entry will be if we can see a shift of market structure around this area, if we see a big move close above these structures, and that is where we'll be looking for a like a plus setup. But right now, let's just wait and see what the market will do. Market open. I'm expecting market to swap this low, come back down here, and continue up. So 12 low and up to this first level and continue up. So these are the things that I'll be looking for this coming week. I want this is what I'll be looking for. I want something to happen around this region. If something happen around this area and I see market structure shift here, that will give me a very confidence that this market, the Euro USD is about to go up. But right now, it's a matter of patience and wait for this setup to cook. And US30 as well. I'm still seeing the potential hopes on US30. I want the market to come price to swipe this low. This liquidity. This liquidity. And to fill this gap, we can potentially see long this area. So this my setup on this US30. So what I'll be looking for, like I said, this is the liquidity that I'm expecting the market to come back to sweat. So and if the market come back there, I'll be looking for, yeah, on the lower time frame, price to come here and continue up. Nice market structures on the lower time frame. Yeah, continue up. So these are the things that I'm looking for, and this will be the first. I mean, the 70% or 80% take profit level, and so 70 to 80% profit take level. That is what is going to happen there. And also, if we don't see that, market can do anything. Like also, it might happen that it's just swept this low, you swept this low, and it move like that. But these are the things I'm looking for. I'm really looking for. These are the two setup I'm looking for right now. So those are the two setups that I'm looking for this US30 coming week. So alarm set and alarm set, alarm, alarm set, and alarm set. So these are the things I will be anticipating of So, so my kind of first, what really happened last year was I traveled, I wasn't around, so I didn't trade a lot. So I really miss a lot, like a move on, miss a lot, like a move on gold. So from this region alone, so from this, just imagine that I hold this trade to this level. You know, guys, it's not easy. That would be a lot. But what really happened is, I think what this move teach me is all about fundamental. I just need to like l- improve on my fundamental because I think what really moved this gold market is all about fundamental. There is nothing in geopolitics and everything that is going on around the world that really moved this gold. So I didn't really know much about that. If I do, I will have make a lot of money on gold, but thank God for this. But the most important is the skills. When you have the skills, you won't be FOMO, you won't be like a fear of missing out and all that. So when I came back from my traveling, so the market has already left me. So and it got around here, I waited and tried looking for a good entry and started like pushing it up. So it is what it is, guys. So what I will just be doing is continue, follow the momentum, follow the trend, never rush it, I know the market is there. The move it's been there for years. People that have the skills have been riding these up and all that. I remember when was it last 2 years or yeah, 2 years, Raja and Swagasi were talking about this move. It blew my account. I won't lie to you. It blew my whole account. I blew up my account on this move. My personal account. I blew my account. Because Swagger C and Raja Bank were talking about gold is going to blow up. Gold is I followed them, so I know they were saying about gold is going to blow up, going to go. If you look at these dates of this, I think where they having that conversation was that it was Raja Bank that um was talking about gold, and Swagasi also said the same thing. If just imagine, and I was yeah, I started like getting my readings in trading. So, and I was so excited, like, oh my God, it's going to go. I blew up my account, but thank God that it happened. So I learned a lot from it. So, you know, trading is not, you can only learn trading while you are losing. You can't learn trading in your comfort zone. You have to learn it in pain. So that's where the hard side of this trading is. So if you really want to be better off in this industry, you need to risk your money. I'm sorry to say, you will blow up your account, you will cry, you will face a lot of like a drama, you will face a lot of fear. I always advise young people that still single, not married, not having family, to put more energy on this thing right now if they really want to learn it, if they want to, because I just say like if you have these skills, you are being set up for the rest of your life. If you say like, I'm not joking, guys, you have been you just like someone have a freedom when you have the skills, but if you are still struggling, it's a long time. My kind of faith, guys, love you guys. So I'm back again, so thank you. Stay blessed.